The Madea shows give us lots to think about as we're talking about how we can fight for our family. One of the things that I find most amazing about Madea is that she really struggles to go to church on Sunday, but that is clearly a highly held value by her family. But the interesting thing about Madea is while she doesn't like going and sitting in church, if you watch Madea, she really lives out what they're teaching the family in church. She'll help just about anybody, including people who aren't very nice. She'll go out of her way to support them and help them. And sometimes that help is not what they think it is, but she has different ideas. What are the core beliefs that your family shares and that you live your life on? Be sure to comment, like, and share. And don't forget to watch for the Friday Family Focus Challenge.